Tip 1. Egg pack. Take 1 tsp of egg white in a bowl. Add half a teaspoon of malai and half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Mix them well and apply on your face. Keep it for 15 minutes. Rinse with cold water. Do it in alternate day. Tip 2. Carrot pack. Cut ½ carrot and half potato. Boil them, then mash it properly. Add 1 pinch baking soda and turmeric. Mix well. Apply over your face. Leave it for 2 minutes. And wash off with lukewarm water. This pack helps to reduce wrinkle and give smooth skin. Tip 3. Rose water pack. Add 2 teaspoons of rose water with 1 drop glycerin and 2 drops of lemon juice. Make a pack and apply on your face and neck with the help of cotton ball. Keep it whole day like moisturizer. Use it as a homemade moisturizer. It removes anti-age skin and gives youthful skin. Tip 4. Coconut milk pack. Squeeze out the milk from the grated coconuts. Apply over the skin. After 20 minutes, wash off face with cold water. Tip 5. Banana pack. Take 5 to 6 pieces of ripe banana. Make a fine paste. Mash with warm water. Apply over the face and neck. Keep 10 minutes, rinse with warm water.